I am Rubén Martín. I'm a group leader at the Institute of Chemical Research of Catalonia, and I've been doing independent research since 2008. The main focus of my research is essentially on leveraging the potential of catalysis to come up with new concepts that essentially allows access to compounds that would otherwise be very difficult to access by conventional techniques. Two of the most successful areas of research in my group deal with the development of chain-walking reactions in which a metal catalyst walks literally throughout the alkyl side chain and allows you to forge different functionality at different locations. And then we've trained these catalysts to walk through the chain essentially with site selectivity. So now we can essentially modulate this translocation and being able to introduce different functionality of different locations in a very, very flexible and modular manner. In addition to this area of expertise, we've recently tried to leverage essentially the potential of light, visible light, and then transfer this energy to certain molecules that allows us essentially to generate, for example, open shell intermediates, very, very reactive intermediates that allows us essentially to access compounds that would otherwise be very difficult to achieve otherwise by conventional methods. And the most important feature of this technology is the ability to apply this in a global context across different, for example, chemical processes, including late-stage diversification of pharmaceuticals, so that it's gaining a lot of attention, for example, in industrial companies. In these endeavors, we try to collaborate with either industries or other groups to tackle very important goals that can be applied across different disciplines. For example, I do collaborate with multiple companies at the national level and international level, including Eli Lilly, Janssen, Servier, or Syngenta, among others. And in terms of research groups, we try to essentially complement our expertise with other groups that essentially allows us to diversify ourselves, and also to tackle multidisciplinary approaches to the kind of problems that we decide to tackle in my group.